Hello and welcome to Weird Tree Wednesday, where I am luteal phasing quite hard. Hence why I am wearing a shirt that literally symbolizes death. Now I am taking a break from my normally scheduled luteal programming of eating copious amounts of food and questioning my existence to bring you a tree climb consisting of vocalizations only, because I don't want a fucking word today. Ow! Oh, whoa! Wow! All right, dude, fuck luteal phase, man. I'm over it.